Aku cuma nak explore satu benda je.
Titanic.
Atlantis.
Oh.
The Lost City. Kau nak explore kat underwater?
Macam curious apa kat bawah. So aku tahu makin dalam kita pergi ocean, ikan dia makin pelik.
The pressure there is very high though.
So,
Yeah,
so
that's why interesting.
makin pelik, makin lawa ke, makin pelik ke macam mana?
Makin interesting. Like curious apa kat bawah sana.
Tapi aku nak under the sea.
Why not?
I don't want dia.
Seram lah. Memang seram. Tapi
The
macam
risk is
interesting.
very high though.
Macam interesting apa kat bawah sana. Maybe years ago ada shipwreck ke apa. Aku tak tahu apa kat bawah.
Okay, shipwreck kita
Macam
tahu ada.
saya explore itu lah.
Okay, kalau betul kau nak explore underwater Okay, aku pun. But then aku cuma nak explore satu benda je.
Titanic.
Atlantis.
Oh.
The Lost City.
Titanic.
The Lost City.
Mesti apa dia?
The Lost City lah.
Orang cakap ada syllabus apa
Oh ya.
tak ada civilization down there.